How to set up AOL Mail account. Start by going to the AOL website or downloading the AOL app on your device, then tap on Sign Up. Enter your first and last name, choose a unique email address, and create a strong password that you'll remember. You'll also need to provide your mobile phone number, which AOL uses for verification and account recovery, along with your birth date and gender to complete the registration details. After filling out the form, tap Continue and AOL will send the verification code to your phone by text message. Enter that code in the box to confirm your number, and once it's verified, your new AOL Mail account will be successfully created. From there, you can log in with your new email and password, start sending and receiving emails, customize your inbox, and adjust settings like themes and filters to make your email experience more personal and convenient. And that's how to set up AOL Mail account. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.